All right, how you guys doing today? So welcome to another OLSP final week MegaLink Showdown challenge. All right, just like all of you know, the MegaLink Showdown, this is an opportunity for you to grab your share of the $50,000 prize money from the OLSP. So there's a $50,000 prize money, right? So, and you can participate and get a chance to grab part of that $50,000. This is amazing, right? Now, let's put it this way, right? I get a lot of calls and I'm surprised. I know everybody wants to win part of that $50,000, right? I understand. But look, I am not OLSP. So you can't just be calling me. It's not, that would be wrong, right? I am not OLSP. So you cannot just be calling me about all you need to do. I have made videos about it. I have talked about the challenge, and the challenge ends this Sunday. 31st of May, that's the end of the challenge, right? So it's just simple for you to participate, right? All you need to do is to get the MegaLink. That's why it's called the MegaLink Showdown. And how much does it cost you to get the MegaLink? Just $7. So the cost is so low. So everybody can get the MegaLink. All you need to do, go to my profile, click that link, and just pay your $7. You are not paying to me, you are paying to the OLSP system. All right? The only thing, if you click my link, that means you are going to be in my team. That's the only thing, right? So that's how it works. So it doesn't need the number of phone calls that I am receiving. Look, I'm not going to respond to phone calls. If you really have a serious message, you can send it. You can send me a text message. You can send me a WhatsApp message. You don't have to keep calling. It's just $7. You don't need to negotiate with anybody for $7, right? So you don't need to call anybody. There's nothing in it. I'm going to explain how the MegaLink Showdown challenge goes. So you don't need anybody, right? But if you need support, call the send message to OLSP support, right? I am a promoter, right? And there are thousands of promoters also promoting the OLSP MegaLink Showdown, right? So it's not only me, So so the only thing, look, just contact the OLSP system. And there's nothing to really contact anybody. You only need to get the MegaLink, which is just $7. And everybody that has the MegaLink can participate in the MegaLink Showdown, right? Look, I am also trying to win some of the prize. I don't know if I will win, right? So nobody knows who is going to win. We have thousands of members, but so we don't know who is going to win the monies, because, right, it's going to be split among some of the top leaderboard members, right? Those that get there. So now, how do you get there? It's very simple. All you need, the first step for you to participate in the $50,000 prize grab right now is for you to get your MegaLink, right? And I've told you the easiest way. Go to my profile, click that link, and join the OLSP MegaLink. And it's just $7, right? I'm also going to leave another link in the comment section so that you can do that, right? So that is the first thing. You want to get the MegaLink. Because if you don't get the MegaLink, you are not even qualified to get into the challenge, right? Now, after you have the MegaLink, then the next step is to get points, right? Is the point that determine those that will win part of the $50,000 prize money, right? Now, how do you get points? Simple, right? What you want to do, once you have your MegaLink, you want to go all over the internet and you want to start sharing your link. That's what you want to do. Now, you want to share your link like me on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, on Twitter, on Instagram, so that you can get a lot of visitors clicking your link. And then by them doing that, then they will become lead. Now, when you get lead, you get points, right? So just getting leads give you points in the MegaLink Showdown, right? So you get those points for getting lead. Now, if those leads turn to sale, now you get more points, right? So you get more points for getting sales. And look, it's just a $7 program, so it's easy to get sale. You can see how I keep getting sales consistently because it's easy to get sale when it's just a $7 program. Now, the good thing about the OLSP MegaLink is the MegaLink is an online store, right? So when you get the MegaLink, you automatically get your own online store with products already. You don't have to buy any of the products. They are already there, over 20 products and more. So whenever any of your lead buy any product in the system, any product, you get more points. So you can see how they do how the system is. So all you need to do, get your MegaLink, start sharing your link, get leads, get sales, get points. And the more points you get, then the more your chance of winning part of that $50,000, guys. Is amazing, right? It's awesome. And look, like I said, all this end by 31st of August, right? So by Sunday, at the end of Sunday, is all over. So you want to quickly start participating so that you give yourself the opportunity to grab part of that $50,000 prize money. We don't know when next the OLSP system will do this competition again, right? Now, so it's awesome. It's awesome. So all you need to do to get your MegaLink right now, go to my profile, click that link, and then just get your MegaLink. Or I'm going to leave a link in the comment section. Go there, click it. Now, those of you who are brand new, who don't know what the MegaLink is, let me just explain that to you right now. So the OLSP $7 is just $7 one-time payment. So it's affordable for everybody because $7 is the price of a cup of coffee, right? So, and I know some people that drink coffee almost every day. They are at Starbucks, they are at all these coffee shops every day. In fact, they cannot do without the coffee, right? And so they are already spending $7 every day. So if you have to spend $7 one time to make a lot of money for yourself, you can see that I have made over some good thousands of dollars with this MegaLink system. So that means it's worth $7, is worth 1,000 times more than $7. But let me tell you what the MegaLink system is. So the MegaLink system is a done-for-you automated online store, right? You know, online store like Amazon, like Walmart, like Target, or whatever. All these are online store. Now, the MegaLink is an automated online store with multiple products, right? So this is amazing. So, and you don't have to buy any of those products. You just buy the MegaLink, and you now have the store, and you start promoting your store. It's so simple, right? So now, that is how powerful the MegaLink is, right? Now, you also get online training. because you have the MegaLink, you are going to get all this free online training where you are going to learn how to promote your online store. You are going to also learn how to get traffic. You are going to learn how to get visitors to your online store. You are going to learn how to get customers to your online store. So you're able to grow your business, make thousands of dollars with the system. It's so powerful the way it works, right? Now, the MegaLink is a complete done for you follow-up system. So that means once you start sharing your MegaLink, start bringing visitors to your online store, it's now automatic, right? Every other thing is done for you. This OLSP does the follow-up for you. They send out emails on your behalf. So you don't have to have an autoresponder. You don't have to, follow up with anybody. That's why I said I don't want people calling me because there is nothing to call. The system is automated, right? So you get all the follow-up done for you. OLSP invite your leads to webinars. They invite them to trainings. They have this phone call team when they want to sell higher price products, and then the OLSP does everything for you. That's amazing, right? So you can see all the things you get for just $7 one time. So with the OLSP MegaLink system, you don't need to create any product of your own. You don't need any website at all, right? You don't need any technical skill at all. You don't need to set up anything, nothing. You don't need to recruit anybody. No recruiting. Don't recruit anybody. Don't call anybody. You don't need to sell anything. All you need to do is to share your link, and the system does every other thing for you, right? So like I said, the system follow up for you. They close sales in your online store. Whatever your lead buy, you make money. You don't have to buy any more things. You just get only the MegaLink. That is powerful. So by you sharing your MegaLink, you'll be able to earn commissions from over 7 different products in your online store. It's powerful, right? Now, and look, when you share your MegaLink, you will be able to earn 100% commissions in front-end MegaLink sale. That is powerful. You'll be able to earn 100% commission. So with only one sale, you have made your money back, right? Now, any other thing that is sold in your online store, you also make money. And not only that, if a high ticket product is sold in your online store, you earn high ticket commission. Look at everything you get for $7, guys. This is amazing. So if you want to join the OLSP MegaLink system so that you'll be qualified to be part of the MegaLink Showdown right now that is going on, this is what you want to do. Go to my profile, click that link in my profile, or click the link in the comment section and just pay your $7. It's just $7. Now, if you have any other question, you can send me a message, DM me, and I usually reply to messages. All right. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.